Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at TIGR and Futu. Before we begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you will greatly help out our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with TIGR. So TIGR from its recent low 303 after it closed its gap is managed to actually started to climb up. So you can see that this is a low here, this is a high, so this is a higher low, and then we are already creating a higher high. So that is a good chance for a trend reversal, and hopefully we can take off from here. From its recent high of 707 to a recent low of 303, you can see that it managed to clear this 505 and so this $5 critical psychological support resistance level. But unfortunately, it only hit a high of 540 before it even touches 61.8% at 553. So this is 553 is a very difficult resistance to clear. If we manage to clear through, then we will actually start to turn bullish, looking at the $6 resistance level, and thereafter clearing back 620 and potentially retesting 707 once again. So if we were to start pulling back down, then I will assume that the cloud will act as a good support level on the way down. So on the way down, the cloud acts as a support level, while on the way up, the cloud acts as a resistance. So looking at the supports level, you can see that from its low of 303 to a high of 540, which was just yesterday. Support levels to watch will be 489, 449, and 421. Looking at its blue conversion line is currently at 446, and this red baseline is 421. So 421 itself is a very, very critical and strong support level to hold. If TIGR start to break down these 421 levels, then it will start to turn weak and bearish. Let's take a look at Futu. So Futu from its recent low of 2684 and its recent high was 5168, and 5168 was in fact pretty long away. So looking at this recent high was here on this particular day on February. You can see that its high was 48.34, and we started to struggle around this $48 where sellers start to appear on these two particular days. One day here on the 6th of June and also this particular day on 8th of June. So you can see that sellers are actually starting to appear here. So it actually managed to clear all the way up to 78.6% at 46.36, which is a good sign for Futu. So we may be looking towards this $50 psychological resistance and thereafter test the recent high of 51.68. If we were to start pulling back down, then we can see that this critical blue conversion line is at 39.89 and this red baseline is at 37.49. So it coincides with this 61.8% at $40 psychological support level. There may be some stop hunting just below this $40 psychological, perhaps around 39.50 to 39.80. And also looking at this another 50% support level at 37.49, and it coincides with this red baseline as well. But before that, we also have this temporary support at 43.59 at 78.6%. So this would hold some critical support today if we were to start pulling back down. So on the whole, we seem to be trending up and the chart looks pretty good. So if we are able to maintain its consistency, then perhaps we have a small pullback before going back up once again. And hopefully the momentum can continue in the last 2 days of trading and also next week. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.